Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a simple 3D spoon. First I will insert the sphere object. You can click here sphere, and then I will set for radius into 30, horizontal segment into 6, and for vertical segment into 5. You can click OK. The next I will use mesh plus a wireframe view, and then I will use a polygon option. We can select these polygons. Okay, we select again in here. The next you can press delete button to delete this selected polygon. Yes, and then I will change into vertex option, and you can select this vertex. Okay, we can use move tools to move this vertex. Okay, you can move to the top into this point. And then I will change into bottom view, and you can select this vertex. The next we can use move tools again to move to the top here. Okay, we change into top view, and then I will select this object. So we can uncheck for vertex option, and then you can use scale command. We can scale in blue axis. I will scale into this point. And then we scale again in red axis into this point. The next we use a vertex option. We select this vertex, and then I will scale from a center point. Okay, you can scale into this point. Okay, now we can convert these objects into 3D models. You can use a thickness, and in here I will set for thickness into 5. You can click for view. Okay, this is thickness with 5. You can click OK. The next we can change into top view, and then I will select this vertex. We can move. Okay, I will move in a right axis into this point. Okay, now you can change into polygon option, and then you can select this polygon. In here we can use extrusion command. You can click here extrusion with amount 25. Okay, you can click OK. 1, we extrude again. 2, okay, we extrude again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last extrusion 10. Okay, now we already extrude with amount 25 with 10 point. The next you can select this all polygons, and then you can select again in here. You can change into right view. Okay, you can change to right view, and in here I will use a bend option. We can bend in blue axis. Okay, you can move into this point. Okay, it will be bent. The next we can change into vertex option. Okay, I will select at this vertex, and then we can move to the top here. Okay, now you can change into top view. Okay, we change into top view, and then I will use this option wireframe. The next we can select this vertex. Okay, I will scale, make it more small. Okay, we scale again in here, this vertex into this point. Okay, you can select this vertex, move to here. We select again in here. Okay, you can edit this vertex one by one. Okay, select in here. The next in here. Okay, we select in here. Select again in here. You can select by pressing right mouse button. Okay, you can click in here, and then you can right click to select this vertex. Next in here I will make it more small in this point. Okay, in here we select again this vertex and make it more small. Okay, now we can change again into this option mesh, and then you can click this mesh plus wireframe. The next I will smooth these 3D models. You can click round objects command. Okay, and I will set for smoothness into 4. You can click preview. Okay, it will be smoothness into 4, and you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models spoon with SelfCAD. You also can apply material into these models, like I will apply wood material. You can click here material, and next we can click texture. You can click basic in here, and we can use a wood. I will use this texture. Okay, you can click and will be automatically apply. You also can change for utile or v-tiles. Okay, I will set into this point, and in here I will set into here. Okay, you can click OK to apply. Okay, we already create this simple 3D model spoon. Okay, I will save in save objects, and we're waiting for saving objects information. And you also can view these objects in a lot of objects in here. Okay, we already create this 3D spoon. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a simple 3D modeling spoon. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.